Welcome to ESN Squared. Today we're asking the question, what is the best time to post on TikTok? This topic has been covered on the blog, so if you prefer to read, head over to blog.iconosquare.com under the TikTok marketing category. This content was originally posted on November 2nd, 2020 and was written by Marvelous Aham Adi. First up, we will touch on what the stats say about your best time to post on TikTok. Then we'll cover how to identify the best time to post on TikTok based on your audience, and then we'll dive into our 5 steps to identifying your best time to post on TikTok. Step 1 will be to create a pro account. Step 2 will be to find out where your audience is located. Step 3 involves identifying when your followers are the most active. Step 4 is checking out other social media platforms. And Step 5 talks about tracking your content performance. All of that in under 15 minutes listening time. Your questions and comments are welcome, so don't hesitate to get in touch. What is the best time to post on TikTok? Every creator, influencer, and brand on TikTok has followers located in different time zones. It's important that you find the best time to post on the platform based on your audience. There is no one-size-fits-all. As trends and user behaviour change on TikTok, your audience will determine the best time to post. You must create a posting schedule to fit your unique audience. Optimizing your post times will help improve the performance of your content. You will also get more engagement on your posts and reach more followers. Let's start. Best time to post on TikTok, what the stats say. Influencer Marketing Hub conducted a study to identify the best global times to post on TikTok. In the study, they analysed 100,000 TikTok posts to discover the best time to post for each day of the week. Here is the result of their study in Eastern Standard Time. Mondays, 6 a.m, 10 a.m, 10 p.m. Tuesdays, 2 a.m, 4 a.m, and 9 a.m. Wednesdays, 7 a.m, 8 a.m, 11 a.m. Thursdays, 9 a.m, 12 p.m, and 7 p.m. Fridays, 5 a.m, 1 p.m, 3 p.m. Saturdays, 11 a.m, 7 p.m, and 8 p.m. And Sundays, 7 a.m, 8 a.m, and 4 p.m. TikTokers are most active on the platform on Tuesdays at 9 a.m, Thursdays at 12 noon, and Fridays at 5 a.m. From this study, we can deduce that the best times to post on TikTok are between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m, and from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m, while the days with the highest engagement are Tuesdays by 9 a.m, Thursdays by 12 noon, and Fridays by 5 a.m. On the blog, we show a visual representation of this study for better understanding. Quick tip, these times are in Eastern Standard Time. The time you post will vary depending on the time zone your audience is located in. You can use a free tool like the Time Zone Converter to perform time zone conversions. While studies like the one conducted by Influencer Marketing Hub are helpful, the reality is that your target audience will determine the best time for you to post. Every creator on TikTok will have slightly different best TikTok post times. Why? The location, interests, gender, and age of your audience all play a role in influencing when you should post. New TikTok accounts will not be able to analyse these metrics. This is where the Global Post Time study comes into play. The study will help you get started. After a couple of weeks, you will have enough data to create your posting schedule. For more accuracy, you will have to analyse your audience engagement and content performance to decide when you should be posting. Let's see how you can do this. Step 1. Create a pro account. To get access to TikTok Analytics, you will need to create a pro account. It's free to upgrade from TikTok's normal account to the pro account. Here's how to upgrade. First, go to your profile page and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Next, select Manage My Account and click on Switch to Pro Account. Next, select your account type. You can either be a creator or a business. Next, choose your gender. After you're done with the setup, your TikTok account will automatically reload to a pro account. Here's how you can view your TikTok analytics. On mobile, go to your profile, click on the 3 dots at the upper right corner, and tap on the Settings and Privacy tab. Under the Account section, you will find your analytics. For desktop, hover over your TikTok profile, A small pop-up will appear. Click on View Analytics. On the Analytics dashboard, you will find three main categories: Overview, Content, and Followers. The Profile Overview will help you keep track of your video views, profile views, and follower count. The Content Insights tab offers insights on the performance of your videos. You'll be able to keep track of trending content and determine which of your videos see the highest engagement. The Follower Insights tab offers insights on your audience demographics and follower activities. To familiarise yourself better with TikTok Analytics, you can check out our complete guide to TikTok Analytics over on the Iconosquare blog. Step 2. Find out where your audience is located. The best time to post on TikTok will depend primarily on your audience's location. Here's how you go about it. Go to the Analytics section and click on the Followers tab. Scroll down to Top Territories. This section of the Followers tab will help you identify where your followers are located. When you know where your followers are based, you can use the global post times from Influencer Marketing Hub's study to check when you should post. All you have to do is convert the global post times to your followers' time zone. Unfortunately, unlike Instagram, TikTok doesn't break down the top territories into cities. This can pose a significant problem when your main audience is in a country like the United States, where there are multiple time zones in the same country. For example, if most of your US followers are in New York City and California, they will be in different time zones. New York City uses Eastern Standard Time, and California uses Pacific Time. So when your followers in New York are already active on TikTok by 9 a.m, your Californian followers might still be in bed at 6 a.m. Quick tip: here are all of the countries with multiple time zones: Russia, United States, Canada, Australia, Mexico, Brazil, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Kiribati, Micronesia, Chile, Spain, Portugal, and Ecuador. So what should you do when your followers are located in countries with multiple time zones? Find out in the next couple of steps. Step 3. Identify when your followers are most active. You will gain better insights on the best time to post on TikTok by identifying when your followers are most active. You will need to find out when your audience engages most with your content. To do this, go to the Analytics section and click on the Followers tab. Scroll down to see your follower activity. This section of the Followers tab shows you the hours and days of the week your followers are most active on the platform. The data also shows the times your followers are the least active. Quick note: TikTok data is shown in UTC, so you will have to convert the hours in TikTok Analytics to your audience's time zones for accurate results. Within the blog article, we show at this point a screenshot from TikTok Analytics showing that followers are the most active at around 5 p.m. UTC. If the majority of your followers are watching your videos from the US, you'll have to consider the different time zones. For this example, with followers the most active at 5 p.m. UTC, we will use New York's Eastern Standard Time Zone and California's Pacific Time Zone. So for New York, you will convert 5 p.m. UTC to 1 p.m. EST. For California, 5 p.m. UTC is 10 a.m. PT. If you want to find out the days your followers are the most active, click on Days. The example screenshotted on the blog article shows that follower activity is consistent across the various days of the week. Since TikTok does not break down top territories into cities, how will you identify the cities your followers are engaging from? This is very important when the majority of your followers are from countries with multiple time zones. Which brings me to step 4. Check out other social media platforms. If your brand has an active presence on other social media platforms, especially Instagram, you can use their built-in analytics to find out when your followers are most active. For example, Instagram Analytics breaks down the country's location into cities. So if your Instagram content, engagement times, and audience territories are similar to what you have on TikTok, you can use Instagram's analytics to develop a good idea of the cities your followers are located in. Quick tip: this strategy works best when you post similar content on TikTok as you do on Instagram. That way your audience demographic will be similar. Step 5. Track your content performance. Another way you can find out the best time to post on TikTok is by monitoring the performance of your content. To do this, go to the Analytics section and click on the Content tab. In this section, you will see the performance of all of your videos in the past 7 days. Next, scroll down to see your trending videos. Tap to see the post that had the highest engagement in the past 7 days. For each trending video, you will see the number of views, comments, likes, and shares. You will also see important metrics like average watch times, audience territories, and traffic source types. The audience territories metric will help you identify where the viewers of the video are located. How can the Content Insights tab help you identify the best time to post on TikTok? Here's how to do it. On every selected trending post, look at the time and date you shared the post. You will find this information at the top of the page under the video thumbnail. Next, try and make a connection between the time and day you shared the video and the trending videos you've had in the past. If you post most of your trending videos on the same day and around the same time, then that is one of the best times for you to post on TikTok. The only issue is that since TikTok Analytics only show data for the last 7 days of content uploads, it can be challenging to accurately monitor the days and times of all of your highest performing videos. To avoid guesswork, you'll have to manually track all of your TikTok content performance using a spreadsheet. Over time, you'll be able to identify the days and times your followers engage most with your content. Other metrics you should include in the spreadsheet include video likes, video comments, video shares, total playtime, total video views, traffic source types, total reached audience, and top audience territories. On the blog, we show an example of what the spreadsheet could look like. Quick tip: to find the best posting time, sum up the time posted of your highest performing videos and divide it by the total number of videos. Quick note: make it a habit to add new trending video data to your spreadsheet. Every 2 weeks, recalculate your average time to make sure it's still the same. A change in TikTok's algorithm, user behavior, or your audience's top territories can affect your post times, so revise the data frequently. Remember that TikTok displays its data in UTC, so always convert to the time zone where your audience is located. Using a spreadsheet will also help you identify the kind of content your audience engages with the most. If you want to increase your TikTok following, you need to create content that your audience will love. In conclusion, by now, you should have a good idea of how to use TikTok Analytics to determine the best time to post on TikTok. The last step might be a little stressful, but it's worth it if you're serious about marketing your brand on TikTok. TikTok's algorithm rewards posts with a high level of engagement. The more engagement you get, the better the chances of your videos getting featured on the For You page. To achieve TikTok's success, you need to post when your audience is likely to engage with your videos. TikLytics is a free TikTok analytics tool that allows you to track the performance of any 3 TikTok profiles, which you can change whenever you like. Find out how your metrics stand up against the competition, track the usage of popular songs and hashtags, and keep your finger on the pulse of new trends and never miss an opportunity to create viral content again. You can try the free TikLytics beta by heading over to tiklytics.iconosquare.com.